I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about facial cleansers for different skin types. Let's get started. Washing your face is an important part of skincare routine. Wash your face only twice a day. Overwashing can lead to irritation. Go with good facial cleansers. Don't use soap bars. They contain harsh chemicals that makes your skin sensitive and dry. Facial cleansers remove dirt from your pores. Facial cleansers dissolve away excess oil, makeup and grime from your face. When you start washing your face before going to bed, it allows your skin to breathe and the dirt and pollution that clog your pores are finally unblocked and your skin breathe and fresh air again. Benefits of facial cleansers: it maintains clear skin. Regular cleansing is essential to keeping your skin looking radiant and healthy. Cleansing helps anti-aging products and treatments work properly. Cleansing helps maintain proper pore size. Cleansing encourages proper skin hydration and prevents the production of excess oils. Here are my top best products. For normal skin types, these are the best options. For dry skin people, look at these products. For acne prone skin, look for ingredient called salicylic acid and tea tree extract. These are the great options for acne prone skin and oily skin type. For sensitive skin, go with gentle face wash like Cetaphil. For oily skin, look cleansers with oil free. Cetaphil is the best cleanser for all skin types. It is a all-rounder. So choose best products based on your skin type. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you all like this information. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is SRINIVAS and I thank you so much for watching.